Hi, welcome to Pueblo Grande. My name is Twig Johnson. I'll be your docent today to take you on a quick tour of Pueblo Grande Museum. Let's go and take a look around. Hi, welcome to Pueblo Grande. This is one of the things that makes Pueblo Grande unique, this big platform mound, along with our 10 major canals that we find here. So now we're actually on top of the mound. The mound would have been at least 3 stories high. It's the length of a football field. And this is a place that would probably have been used for ceremonies and also for looking over the extensive irrigation system. One of the really interesting things from the mound that you can see is this mysterious maze. It's a series of rooms that we believe held important items because people were coming from all sorts of villages, all sorts of places, including from up north, to this place. All this tells the story about how important Pueblo Grande was, that it was an incredibly important village within the Hohokam world. On your visit to Pueblo Grande, you can visit the 2 different types of houses that the Hohokams lived in. The compound adobe house to my left and the pit houses to my right. You can also see an excavated ball court and visit our gardens that contain native crops. Pueblo Grande also hosts a variety of events, classes, and programs throughout the year that highlights Native American arts, culture, the science of archaeology, and prehistoric technologies. Indoor exhibits explore archaeology, Hohokam culture, and showcase artifacts found at Pueblo Grande and other sites in the valley, with a changing gallery that rotates exhibits on archaeology and Southwest cultures. Don't forget to visit our museum store, which features authentic Native American art.